Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your most requested July work and love forecast for Capricorns. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Friends, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com, friends, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Let's see, Capricorns, what is the month of July for you? Let's see that. I just want to shuffle the cards a bit before, okay, before taking the cards out. The Three of Cups, okay, that's interesting. Theme of the month of July for Capricorns. Oh, the Knight of Cups. Wonderful. So, some sort of Two of Pentacles. Anything else? The Three of Pentacles. So, this month is about celebrations for you, Capricorns. Definitely, some celebrations are coming your way, some happy moments, some time with family, some socializing. This month is about getting back to socializing. Also, offers are coming your way, friends. Opportunities are coming your way, whether you are waiting or not. I don't know if you are working or waiting for an opportunity, but opportunities are coming, especially if you are single. New romance or new friendships are coming your way, so get excited, Capricorns. And yes, this month you will find a lot of support from people around you, friends. A lot of people will want to help you, want to collaborate with you. This month is about collaborations, teamwork, family, friends, unions, weddings. So this is a social month for you. You are a social butterfly, Capricorns. You are working hard and you will achieve a lot of success also. Yes, this is a busy month for you because you will have to balance your work with all these socializing happening, weddings, marriages, birthday parties, and new love, and old flame coming back to you. So everyone is trying to reach out to you. Everybody wants you, Capricorn. So you have to decide which one you need to give your time to, whether work, whether it is love, family. Lots of good things are coming your way. I also see, Capricorns, for some of you, a marriage proposal is also coming. For others of you, a chance of pregnancy, a baby shower happening, a pregnancy, a childbirth happening for you, or it's for someone in the family. So congratulations. Busy, busy month for you, friends. Everybody wants you. Everybody. It's a month of socializing. Everyone wants you, Capricorns. So let's see. All right. Your love life, Capricorns. Okay. Their love life for Capricorns. Their love life. Okay. Some cards are jumping out. Let's see. All right. Capricorns. Two of Swords, the Hermit, the Ten of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords. So what I feel, Capricorns, is you are more open to friendships this month rather than love. You feel like love is not such a cup. Love is not your cup of tea. Very much your cup of tea. In July. Let's see the first week. So, in the first week, friends, there is a situation, a relationship which is causing you a lot of problems. This relationship is, there has been an ending in this relationship, but something does not properly end. It's like it is ended, but you guys are still in contact. You guys still miss each other. There is still love in this connection. So, there is somebody which is in no contact, long distance, who's still thinking about you, and I do see they are waiting to make a move towards you in July, and I do see, Capricorns, someone will be waiting, someone will be making a move towards you, and your relationships will be actually getting to move forward. Your relationships will be moving forward and getting back on track. So if something was ending, it's not yet ended, friends. It's not yet ended. Talks will begin again. Your person will try to reach out to you, and you will try to be like, you will be analyzing them, like, what is going on? Why is this person back? But Capricorns, they want you back. Some of you might even see that person visit you. They might meet you face to face. So a lot is happening here. But when it comes to the second week of July, oh my god, you feel that your person is obsessed about you, you are obsessed about them, but there is something unhealthy about this relationship. Like your person tells you, they promises you they'll call you, but then they don't call you. They promises you they will quit bad habits, but they don't quit it. They promise you like they will always be there for you, but then again the same patterns are repeating. In the second week of July, patterns affecting your relationship will become very clear to you. Your person's habits, your fears, whatever is affecting negatively in the connection will become very clear to you. And yes, Capricorns, there might be some false promises, I'm sorry to say, happening for you in July. You know, Magic Wednesday, I always am honest, friends. I'm an Aquarius, can't lie. Ask me how much trouble it gets me into because I can't lie. All right, so yes, I do feel, there will be certain, your person will try, certain truths may come out in the second week of July. Also, you may find like the old patterns are repeating in your love life. Some of you may want to break free from a relationship, and it will happen in the second week. Some of you may give an ultimatum to a person like, see, this is it now, or go away, or it's change or go away, make it better or stay away. So ultimatums are spoken. And also, some of you, the second week is very important because it will help you to start manifesting a healthy relationship. Capricorns, you will be letting go of all the negative and toxic connections and getting ready to build a new, attract or manifest a new healthy connection. So it is very important. The third week is also again a little mixed energy week for you, friends. You will feel like you will constantly dream and think about your lover, your twin flame, your husband wife, ex-husband wife. You will be a slightly anxious, and you will feel like, did you make the right decision, did you not? I do feel that your person will not try to contact you in the third week. It's like they are also thinking what to do. I feel that family is marriage is again a big thing here. Family is affecting your family is affecting your love life, or your person's family is affecting this love life. I also feel in the third week you may say yes to family, whatever your family is telling you. You may say yes to them, although you may not fully be convinced, but you may visit your family, spend more time, and say yes to their wishes and desires. Say yes to an arranged marriage proposal, maybe because you are a bit confused in the third week. Let's see the final week of July. Oh, final week of July. Finally, things are looking up in your love life, Capricorns. So, yes, you might be traveling, or someone might be traveling towards you. You might be entering a long distance connection or meeting someone from some different city and country. It will be a brand new connection, something very beautiful, something very solid, and there will be a lot of love and affection in this connection. This person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So there is love, there is a lot of love, but there is also some connections which you need to end, or which you need to, uh, you know, create some boundaries, tell them to, yeah, get better, or, you know, you can't. You will be honest. You will be like an Aquarius in your love life, Capricorns. Authority. See, you are very powerful. You don't have to settle for less. Capricorns, you don't have to settle for less. You don't have to accept somebody who keeps hurting you, keeps using you. You have the power. You can say no. You can ask them to get better. If they love you, they will. Shadows, yes. I do feel that, someone. There are people who are shadowy, or those who are not willing to change or get themselves better. So you have to stand your ground. It is time. It is now or never, Capricorns. It is now or never. So you have to stand your ground. You have to rise up. You deserve the best, Capricorn. So if some patterns are affecting your marriage or your love life, remember that you can ask. You are not asking for more if you are asking for a healthy relationship, right? So let's see your work and career. That was intense, actually. Your love life. I was not expecting that, actually. The sun, your work and career, Nine of Cups, and the Seven of Cups. Ooh. Queen of Swords, the Ten of Cups, yeah. So, friends, you'll be very, very clear, Capricorns, with what you want to do in your work and career in the month of July, where you want to take things. You'll be very, very cutthroat. If you are a student, no one can survive your competition. You'll be very, very particular. You'll be extremely perfect in your game, in your studies. You will be very knowledgeable. You'll be a tough rival, a tough competition to everyone around you, Capricorns. You're already very hardworking, but in July, you are on fire. And yes, this will bring you a lot of success. This will bring you a lot of fame in your work, in your studies. So get ready for that. A lot of people will be talking about you. You're talking about your knowledge, your gifts, your talents. If you are a student, some of you may discover some new talents, like hidden talents, like you can write, you can travel, you have a gift of comedy, poetry, writing, stories. So you will discover something which will be very, very good for you, lucrative, prosperous option for you. Another thing, Capricorns, this month, a lot of happy celebrations will be coming your way. A lot of your work wishes will be coming to fruition. So you will definitely enjoy this month, at least work-wise. You will be very clear. You will achieve a lot of success. People will be more supportive to you in your work and career, even your friends also, and in your studies. Your family you will make your family very, very proud also. So good luck for that. And I do see that some of you may start your family businesses or join your family business, or you will start something that will make your family very proud. Also, some of you could be getting a break from work from home, going back to offices, or some of you are still continuing work from home and enjoying it. The Seven of Cups. Yes, there are certain choices in this month for you, certain decisions. I would say, you will. Capricorns, you have the choice to be kind in this month, to be gentle with your words, because I feel this choice is more about how you behave, because you are very perfect. You are on fire this month, so you will know it, you will feel it, but you will also have a lack of patience for others. So that will not go well for you because you are successful. People, if you are behaving bad, people will say you are egoistic. So try and be gentle with people around you. Let's see some advice, Capricorns. Ooh, self acceptance. Yes, accept yourself, friends. You are perfect. You deserve the best. You are amazing. You are completely perfect and as lovable as you are, just as you are. You are loved just as you are. So accept your gift, accept yourself. Don't try to change yourself for other people. Transformation, yes, you are changing, friends. Some of you may actually be joining some new work or returning back to works you were, creativity, art, dance, culture. Maybe you will find something new in your work or career or in your life also. So don't worry. Angel protection, yes, you are very, very protected, friends. Capricorn, so don't worry, you are very protected this month. Your plans, your ideas, and even if people around you are toxic in some ways, you can ask for angels protection. Oh my god, that's a lot of cards. Oh my god, lots of cards want to come out. You can't take them all, can we, angels? Let's shuffle. Lion, time to act. Yes, this is your time to make some important changes. Leg, time to step into a new adventure. Yes, your month for new adventures. And younger woman, someone young is important to you. Scissors, disappointment in some affair. Also, scissors is cutting away toxic people, not unsuccessful plans. You'll be taken care of in difficult times. Yes, you're very protected. You also have the angel protection card. Involvement with the law. Yeah, I do feel that for some of you, you could be achieving like certification. You could be starting your own certificate courses or joining or completing a degree or course or PhD or something. Star, guaranteed success. Yes, you'll be very successful. Marriage. Yes, marriage is important. Family is important. Marriage talks, commitment. September is important. Older man, someone born, some old person is also important. A new job or a career. Yes, some of you could be signing contracts with new job. For a new job, October is also important. So that's it for now, Capricorns. And do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.